Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home right now for top dollar? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get top dollar? Hi, I'm Allison Moreau, broker owner of Real Connect Realty. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. We've sold hundreds of homes, so we know what we're talking about. And here we go. When you walk up to the home, does it have curb appeal, fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants, trees, new trim, paint on the door, or possibly even a new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3 Ds, declutter, depersonalize, and deep cleans? And I mean really deep cleans, baseboards, stuff marks, cleaned up the landscaping, changed out old light bulbs, and so much more. Is your lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted the front door and trim? Brick red walls with mismatched paint does not qualify for selling for top dollar, at least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are cleaned, or are they 10 years old and have been cleaned 15 times, revealing their true conditions when it rains or pours or people walk all over them? This isn't going to cut it to get top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same from when they were 15 years ago, or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to half-acre lots up the street? You see, all of this matters. This is a big one, the smell test. Most people have a smell to their home. Yes, a smell. I know it sounds gross, but believe me, it's true. Pets, cooking with strong spices, and other factors can contribute to that unwanted odor. Passing the smell test is essential. Have you truly compared your home to its competition? Is it measuring up? Are you partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its ability? Outdated furniture won't help you get top dollar. When you look out the window, what do you see? A neighbor showering or a beautiful view of hills, waterfront, pastures, greenery? A desirable view adds value. So I challenge you to take this quiz and rate your readiness on a scale from 1 to 10 to put your house on the market and sell it for top dollar. Most of us have to make changes to maximize our home's value. Even I have a honey-do list for days if I were to sell my house right now. I'm Allison Moreau, broker owner of Real Connect Realty. We're all about creating seamless connections in real estate tailored just for you. I look forward to our next connection. Until then, take care.